students, today our topic is cube and cube roots. This is for class 8. Now we'll start with what is cube. Cube, as you have already heard about the cube, this figure that we make right from the third class is cube. Now we are not talking about this cube, we are talking about the cube of a number. So what is a cube? As you know, in square we multiply the number by itself 2 times, we multiply the number by itself. So in case of cube we multiply the number 3 times, like a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So when we are multiplying the number 3 times by itself, then it makes the cube. So cube of a number is that number raised to power 3. So if a is any number, then what it will be its cube? A3. A to raise power 3 is its cube. So we can write it a cube is equal to a multiplied by a multiplied by a. Like for example, during the calculation of volume, you have already calculated the volume of cube, cuboid and different things. Fine. So what we do, we multiply it side multiplied by side multiplied by side. Fine. So that is your volume. So during the calculation of volume, we are going to use the concept of cube. Like now if we take some example, 2 cube is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. 5 cube will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 125. So cube means multiplying the number 3 times by itself. Next comes perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. That means अगर आंसर में क्यूब निकालने के बाद हमने किसी नंबर का क्यूब निकाला और वो आंसर जो आ रहा है हमारा वो नॉर्मल काउंटिंग नंबर आ रहा है, नॉर्मल काउंटिंग नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, these are the counting numbers. So अगर काउंटिंग नंबर्स की फॉर्म में अगर हमारा आंसर आ रहा है तो दैट विल बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर 8 की बात करते हैं, 8 इज द, if we go for 2 cube is 8, so 8 is a natural number, so it is a perfect cube. वो डेसिमल फॉर्म में नहीं आना चाहिए, परफेक्ट हमारा नेचुरल नंबर की फॉर्म में आंसर आना चाहिए, then it will be perfect cube. Fine. So next is properties of cube. So cube of all odd numbers will be odd and even number will be even. Even number का cube even आता है and odd numbers का cube odd. Like 3 cube, 3 is odd number, it is 27, 2 cube is 8. So cube of odd number is odd and cube of even number is even. If we want to check whether a number is a perfect cube or not, how we are going to proceed? Like for example, we have taken a number 216. So for checking it, we will have to go for the prime factorization of this number. Like it is divisible by 2, 2 1 is 2, 0, 8, again 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, again 2, it is 27, then 3, 3 9 is, then again 3 and 1. Fine. So this is the prime factorization of 216. Now if all the numbers, all the factors which are available are in the pair of 3, like 2, 2 and 2, these are in 3 number, again 3, 3 and 3, these are again in 3. So if all of them are available in the pair of 3, that means it is a perfect cube. So if we take 1 from this 2 and 1 from this 3, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So that means 6 ka, if we find out the cube of 6, it will be 216. So this way we can find out. So go for the prime factorization, make the pairs of 3 of all the factors. If it is there, then it will be a perfect. Now let's take the questions related to the cube. So we have to find out, is 392 is a perfect cube? We will have to check whether it is a perfect cube. If not, then by which number it should be multiplied to get a perfect cube. So first we will have to find out whether it is a perfect cube or not. For that we will have to go for the prime factorization of 392. So let's start. It is divisible by 2. So it is 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, again 2, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 8 ja 16, again 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Then it comes in the table of 7, 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So in case of perfect cube, all the factors must be in the pair of 3. Fine. Like if it what are the different factors of it? These are the different factors of 392. We can check 2 is in the group of 3, but 7 is not in the group of 3. So for a perfect cube, all of them must be in the group of 3. So by what number it must be multiplied to make a perfect cube? So ये तो हमारे पास 3 है, क्या 3 नहीं है? 7. So that means 392 must be multiplied with 7 in order to make a perfect cube. So whatever will be the answer, that will be your, so answer is 7. So that means 392 must be multiplied by 7 to make it a perfect cube. 7 से multiply करेंगे तो 7 भी 3 हो जाएंगे. So it will make a perfect cube. Next, what is the smallest number by which 3087 must be divided to get a perfect cube? Let's again go for the prime factorization. 3087. Fine. So it is divisible by 3. What we will get? 3 1 ja 3, 3 0 0, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27. Again 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. Fine. Now then 7, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 9 ja 63. Again 7, so it is 7 7 ja 49, again 7, it is 1. Fine. So this way we can find out the value. Now what is our question? By what number it must be divided? अब आपको पता है, in case of cube we make the pairs of 3. Now we can make the pairs of 3, but what is 3 multiplied by 3? Which is 9. So we should divide 308987 by 9 in order to get the perfect cube. Fine. So our answer is 9. So we'll have to divide this number by 9 because हमारे पास इसका triplet नहीं है. Now next thing in this is cube root. It is the opposite of cube. In cube we are making a power of 3 of any number and finding out the value. Here it is opposite. We have given this value a cube and we have to find out the value of a. Fine. For example, using cube we were finding the volume. Here volume is given, we have to find out the side. So that means a number m is called the cube root if a number n is equal to m cube. For example, if we have given 27. Fine. So first thing, what is the symbol of cube root? It is this. जैसे ये किसका था? स्क्वायर रूट का था. स्क्वायर रूट में यहाँ पर हमने 3 लिख दिया. So it will be a symbol for the cube root. Fine. So if we find out the cube root of 27, so that means it will be 3. So it is just the reverse of cube. Finding out the side of the cube when volume is given. Let's take the question of this, finding out the cube root of this number. Go for the prime factorization. Fine. So it will be 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, again 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, again 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, again 2, 1 0 8, again 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja again 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 7 ja, then again 2, sorry 3, 3 9 ja 27, 3 and 3. Now start making the pairs of 3, this, this and this. Fine. So take one from this, take one from this and take one number from this. So our cube root will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is 2 2 4 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. That means if we go for the cube of 12, we will get 1728. Fine. Or we can write down cube root of is equal to 12. Fine.